This is the AI News Flash for June 19th, 2 a.m. UTC. First up, the Wall Street Journal reports that Google is using NVIDIA's playbook to build a rival AI chip business. Google has long used its in-house TPUs, or tensor processing units, inside its own data centers and rented capacity to customers. Now it is looking to sell the chips externally too, turning what was an internal tool into a large commercial business. Customers include Meta, which signed a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar deal in February, and Anthropic with an expanded deal for multiple gigawatts of next-generation TPU capacity. Google is even working to supply NVIDIA rival OpenAI. According to research firm IDC, NVIDIA controls about 81% of the AI data center chip market, so Google's push is a notable challenge to that dominance. Next, search company Perplexity has launched Brain, a self-improving memory system. Brain builds a context graph of the work done by Perplexity's computer agent, essentially a wiki of the ideas, people, and projects in a user's world that the agent can traverse and learn from. But at set intervals, such as overnight, Brain reviews that graph and teaches itself to do the work better, learning from past sessions and corrections. Unlike typical memory systems, it captures what the agent did, what worked, and what failed, not user preferences. In early testing, answer correctness rose 25% on previously seen tasks, recall improved 16%, and cost fell 13% on tasks needing historical context. It is rolling out to Max and Enterprise Max subscribers in research preview starting June 18th. Third, shares of Japanese cable maker Fujikura are set to soar after an outlook hike calmed market jitters. Fujikura is seeing strong demand for fiber optic cables for AI data centers, with orders from nearly every U.S. hyperscaler. Combined with price increases, it now expects to beat its earlier forecast. The company is investing about 40 billion yen in a new Sakura Works plant to expand optical fiber production and is setting up a Delaware subsidiary to drive its Japan-U.S. investment strategy. Still, the market reaction to its late May medium-term plan, called Accelerate X, was harsh, with shares tumbling 17% in a single session. The question now is whether this upgrade reverses sentiment. Finally, a research race is heating up over KV cache compression, a key factor in the cost of running large language models. The KV cache stores information about earlier tokens as a model generates text, but it balloons with longer context. For a 70 billion parameter model at 128,000 tokens, the cache A alone needs about 40 gigabytes, more than the model weights, making decoding memory-bound. The three methods are competing: TurboQuant from Google and NYU, Oscar from Together AI, and EpiCache from Apple. Oscar cuts cache memory about 8 times and boosts throughput up to 7.8 times, while EpiCache raises accuracy 40% over baselines and cuts peak memory more than threefold. All three can be combined, tackling the biggest cost bottleneck for long contest AI and accelerating more efficient inference. That's all for this AI News Flash.